Hi, this is Shakib Shamsi, and I'm a front-end engineer based in Bangalore. I'm having around 2 years of experience, and today I'm gonna walk you through my assessment. First thing first, I'm gonna open my backend server. So as you can see, our backend server is running successfully. Next, I'm gonna open the front-end server where our actual UI is. Great, our UI is started, and as you can see, the front-end server is working successfully. As you can see, this assessment involves building a drag-and-drop node editor for creating data processing workflows. It features a visual node-based graph interfaces where user can place and connect custom nodes on a canvas to define a data flow pipeline. As you can see, the system includes multiple node types like input nodes, LLM node, text node, output node, and so on. So first thing first, I'm gonna drag this input node. This input node is used for defining the input parameters like name, type, and we will use this node along with the text node. Here, this text node is basically used for handling the template-based text, variables, substitutions, and so on. So we're going to use the input node and text node along, and we'll connect this node with these nodes with the LLM node. This is our main important node, and this node is helping us to integrate the language model functionality. So we are gonna connect the input node to the LLM node and the text node to the LLM node. What is happening here? The input node and the text node is being connected with the LLM node, and now here comes the role of the output node, and this output node is used for specifying the output names, data types, and so on. So we are gonna connect the LLM node with the output node. This is how our processing workflow will look like, and I'm gonna submit it. Yep, hooray! That worked really very fine, and we have got the output from it. So this is all about my assessment, and I hope that this will be loved